Welcome to the world of AliExpress. You've heard the name, maybe you've even browsed the endless aisles, marveling at the sheer variety of products available. But do you really know this e-commerce giant? It's more than just an online store. AliExpress is a global marketplace connecting buyers with sellers, primarily from China, but also from other parts of the world. Think of it as online shopping's answer to a bustling bazaar, where you can find almost anything you need. You can find everything from clothing to electronics, all at incredibly low prices, often much lower than local stores. But with millions of products and sellers, navigating AliExpress can feel overwhelming, like finding a needle in a haystack. One key insight can help you make sense of it all: the average order size. This metric can guide your shopping experience. Knowing this magic number can be a game changer for both buyers and sellers, helping you make informed decisions and get the best deals. For buyers, understanding the average order size helps gauge value and make informed decisions. Is a $5 item a steal, or just a small part of a larger purchase? Are most people spending closer to $20 per order or even more? This knowledge empowers you to shop smarter, snag the best deals, and maximize your savings. Sellers, listen up. Average order size is your business compass, guiding your strategy. It reveals what shoppers are willing to spend and their purchasing habits. Use this data to price your products competitively, bundle items strategically, and create attractive offers. By doing so, you can boost your bottom line and achieve sustained growth. Finding this crucial data point isn't as straightforward as you'd think. It can be quite frustrating and time-consuming, especially if you don't know where to start. AliExpress doesn't publicly share its average order size, making it even more challenging for sellers and researchers. But fear not. We've got you covered with this simple guide that will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Research. Explore industry reports and articles that analyze AliExpress's performance. These resources often contain valuable insights and data. Look for mentions of average order value or basket size. These figures can give you a good starting point. Step 2. Analyze competitors. Identify successful AliExpress sellers in your niche. This will help you understand the market better. Study their product listings, pricing strategies, and bundled offers. Pay attention to what works for them. Step 3. Estimate. Based on your research and competitor analysis, estimate a range for the average order size in your product category. This will help you make informed decisions and strategize effectively. Section 4. AliExpress by the numbers, fun facts and figures. While the exact average order size remains a bit of a mystery, AliExpress boasts some impressive stats. Over 150 million active buyers worldwide. That's a lot of shopping. Billions of products across more than 40 categories. Talk about variety. Mobile commerce reigns supreme, with 70% of transactions happening on smartphones. Shop on the go. Section 5. Wrapping up your AliExpress adventure awaits. Remember, the average order size is a moving target. It varies by product category, seasonality, and even marketing campaigns. Stay informed, adapt your strategies, and watch your AliExpress success soar. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, go forth and explore the vast world of AliExpress. Section 6. A final AliExpress tidbit. Did you know? AliExpress hosts an annual global shopping festival on November 11th. It's the biggest online shopping day in the world.